everyone, this is Ganesh Ram from Tech Broadcasting channel. Welcome to the episode 4. Today we'll see some tips and tricks that you can follow while using Google search engine. So let's get started. You can get search result from the Google products that you use. Entering the search query My Calendar, list all my events from Google Calendar. You can get the hex or RGB code of any color by entering search query Color Picker. Google takes a snapshot of each web page as a backup in case the current page isn't available due to some technical reasons. If you are unable to access a site, you can click on Cached option and view the cached version of that website. To search for sites which are similar to the Hindu website, click on Related option. To search for an exact match, put a word or phrase inside quotes. For example, Ettu Bruth. This will show all top search results having this phrase at least once in their web page. Use Google Finance to get stock market summary, follow stocks, compare stocks, and get all latest news from finance domain. To search social media, put @ in front of a social media platform followed by the search query. For example, at Twitter, Tech Broadcasting channel. To search hashtags, put hash in front of a word. For example, hash CBSE paper leak. To know about tourist places in particular city, enter the city name followed by point of interest keyword. To search for a specific site, put site : followed by name of the site or domain. For example, site:/.gov/India. This will list all Government of India websites which are of .gov domain name. You can also use Google search for unit conversion. You can use Google search to search, compare, get deals and check for available hotels. You can also search for unknown words. Suppose you remember only some part of the song lyrics and you don't know the song name. Let's see if Google can find Ed Sheeran's perfect song. You can enter any part of the song lyrics. For example, cause *kid *fell *love. The Google will find and tell you the name of that song. To navigate from one place to another, enter navigate keyword followed by the source and destination place. Put hyphen in front of a word you want to leave out while performing search operation. For example, MS Dhoni -cricket -IPL will show all search results about MS Dhoni which is not related to IPL and cricket. To track a flight, enter the flight number. To get search results about MS Dhoni only from BCCI website, put MS Dhoni followed by site:/BCCI.tv. To compare the calories between idli and chapati, enter keyword idli versus chapati. To play the classic snake game, enter keyword snake game. To flip a coin, enter the keyword flip a coin. So that's all for today everyone. If you like my content, like, share, subscribe and click on that bell icon so that you get instant notification update once I upload a new video.